Hi, welcome to the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make curry goat my way, Jamaican style, but it's my way. A little bit of coconut we're going to be adding there. And here's the ingredients and what we're going to be working with today. So we got some scallions, we got some garlic, we got some onion, we got thyme, and I got a piece of rosemary. And this piece of rosemary is to make it lose that gaminess, that taste, that distinct taste you taste into the goat meat all the time. This can help cut it away, okay? All right, and we're gonna put some bay leaf in there as well. We got peppers, right? Scotch bonnet, carrots, and potato. So we're gonna keep that going. And over here we got the curry, and I got a little bit of oil in here. I got some allspice in here, and I got a little bit of pepper flakes in here, okay? And salt and pepper, you know that's gotta go in there as well. So we're gonna cut the meat up. I'll show you how we marinate this. All of these stuff is going inside of it, okay? This is going in here to marinate with that. Smash your garlic so it's easier to cut. Alright. Thyme and bay leaf going in here. You can cook it on the stove, but this one I'm gonna pressure cook it because I got a pressure cooker pot. I'm gonna pressure cook it so you guys see how I do it in that. I'm gonna pressure cook it normally for half an hour. This is just the first part of it, and then you're gonna finish the rest into the when you're cooking it down. Alright, so I put a piece of pepper in the pressure cooker pot as well too. And with the goat, you want to take off all this silver skin. They call it the silver skin. Okay, you want to remove all this silver skin. I was trying to remember what name it is. As much as that, okay? And then this is the goat leg. I deboned it already. I should have shown you guys the way I deboned it, but you guys didn't see that. So we're gonna go about cut this up now. And it's easy to get the silver skin off. No, very easy without losing a lot of meat. Meanwhile you're cutting it, you gotta pull it like, you know, cut and pull. Cut and pull. See that? Yeah. Meanwhile you're cutting it, pull it. Cut and pull, alright? So I'm removing the silver skin. I just pull. As I told you before, cut and pull, alright? And not everything you're gonna be able to get off it, alright? Some are gonna be able to stay, you're not gonna be able to get everything off it. But you try to get as much as you can off. Because I'm pressuring cook, putting in the pressure cooker as well, it's gonna like kinda cook the silver skin as well. So just wanna cut it up in the right pieces so you know everybody can get some. And I'm gonna marinate this in the curry for, you can marinate it for 24 hours, less than that, an hour. But I like to marinate mine for a while. So I'm gonna marinate this for 3 hours. And then we're gonna put it in the pressure cooker. We're gonna show you we're gonna do that as well, okay? That's good. Now we're gonna marinate them up. Don't forget we got the curry in here. We got the salt and pepper. We got the garlic. We got the scallions. We got the onions. You know, we got the thyme. We got the bay leaf. And if you have fresh thyme, it go well with it as well. You know, either fresh or dry thyme. But the rosemary, you guys try adding rosemary to yours, because normally in Jamaica we don't really cook with rosemary like that. But the rosemary kind of make it lose that gaminess, that ranking smell that's, you know, always on the goat. People in Jamaica will understand when I say ranking smell, okay? Yeah. Alright. So we're gonna let that sit for a couple hours, and then we show you guys the next steps. Alright, welcome back. So now we finish up in curry goat. So after half an hour, cook it in the pressure cooker. what it look like. With all the seasoning that you saw me put in there, the bay leaf, the allspice, thyme, garlic, onion, and pepper. So now we're gonna get the rest of the vegetable ready, and we're gonna sweat off these veggies, and then we're gonna pour this into it with the liquid on that. Don't forget the rosemary. The rosemary give it a different touch, flavor-wise, all right? So now we're gonna dice these up. Cause this is already like the dice already, so we wanna keep everything on the same uniform, okay? So we're gonna do carrot and cut them a little bit bigger than normal, so they doesn't mush out or turn mush inside of it. So you still can get something to bite in. And normally you can eat this with white rice, rice and peas, you know, whatever you need to eat it with. Some banana, some yam, some dumplings. Your call. You know, you can choose to eat whatever you want to eat it with as a starch. Alright? And the goat is really easy to cook, but you know, you gotta make sure the seasoning, you gotta make sure the seasoning is down as well. You gotta get good seasoning on it. You know? I'm gonna add a little bit more curry in mine just to burn off it, to give it more flavor. And as we talked about the coconut milk, it's right here, 1 cup of coconut milk. Try not to put too much coconut milk in here because it's gonna be creamy without the coconut milk. Because I'm gonna add some potato in there as well. Alright. Put 1 piece of this, save 1 piece for the finishing touch. Alright. So I'm gonna add a little bit of curry in here. The bottom. Just to kind of get that burn on it, you know, when I put it on the fire. That's enough right there. To get the burn sear on it. Put a piece more pepper in here. And now I'm going to move it over to the pot, to the flames. But let's cut this up so we're ready to go when it's time to go. And everything, as I say, I'm dicing everything just to keep everything diced, okay? And they don't have to be uniform, you know, if you don't want. And what I normally do, I try to cut some piece smaller than normal so those can break down and kind of give it that kind of more body to it, you know. Yeah. Make it more creamy when some of them break down. So if you see I cut a little piece like these, I'm going to cut this a little bit finer than what I cut those. So it break down much easier and give me more body to it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. There's always tricks to the trade, you know. There's always a little bit of technique to make your life easier and to make your food taste better as well. And this channel will show you all the technique to make your life easier as well too. And if you have a question, don't be scared to ask. We're here for you, you know, while you guys is here for us. And don't forget, hit that notification bell, okay? It's free. Just subscribe. You don't pay to subscribe. It's free to subscribe, okay? Alright. We're going to move over to the flames. You probably wonder why I got these on it, you know? Baby proof. A little bit of oil. Grapeseed oil. Let the curry burn a bit. Then we're gonna get it going. We want to make sure that curry is burned a bit. It's better when the curry is burned. And I'm gonna maybe 1 more piece of thyme in there, just like a finishing seasoning to it. A little bit of salt as well. Yeah. You can add salt at the end as well if you don't want to over salt it now and then. When it's ready, it's going to be salty, so you'd rather you add some more salt to it than over salt it now, okay? Yep. See the curry changing color? Yeah, a little bit brownish, that's what you're looking for. Alright, so now everything is sweat off nice and tender. I'm gonna add the meat, and I'm adding everything in here, okay? Everything going in there, all the bushes, a little bit stick on the bottom. Yep. So I'm gonna let this cook for 5 minutes, then I'm gonna add the rest of the stuff. And then add the coconut milk as well, let it cook now, alright? Alright, so we're gonna add the rest of the stuff, the potato. We're gonna put the potato in here. Bell peppers. And finishing touch, a piece of escallion for seasoning, okay? And then we're gonna add the coconut milk as well. You get all the coconut milk out there, because that's the flavor right there. Smells really good. This is curry goat my way, you know. And you're gonna cover this down 8 minutes. When the potatoes halfway cooked, everything is ready to go. Alright? Alright, so this is what we're looking for right here. Perfect, consistent, boil down to the right way you want it to boil down. Get some of the sauce so you can see that. You see that? Perfect consistency. That's what you're looking for. So I'm going to make a bowl right now just to show you a presentation. But I'm not going to serve it with anything. It's going to be the meat only right now. But normally you can use rice, banana, yam, dumpling, whatever you want to eat with it. Some fried dumplings, some fried festival, whatever the case may be, of your choice. Okay? Alright. So curry goat, my way, Jamaican way. You know, whichever way. But everything I cook, I now want to put a twist on it. So this is curry goat with a twist on it. This is a plate presentation. And as I say, normally you can eat whatever you want to eat with it. You can eat some rice, some mashed potato, some roast potato, whatever you like. Some festival, some plantain, some roast yams, you know, some dumplings. Whatever you like, you know, whatever makes you happy. But this is just typically curry goat with a little bit of twist to it. You're going to see everything into the show. So don't forget, hit that notification, and don't forget, subscription is free. So subscribe, okay? Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, even tell another friend to tell a friend. Thank you.